Hi everyone, welcome back to Engineer in Progress. This is episode 2, and today I'm going to create my weekly SSC JE study plan from scratch. I haven't made one yet, so you will see how I organize my week step by step while also balancing job hunting. Since I haven't made any plan yet, I'm starting from zero. I prefer using Excel sheets to organize my study schedule. It's clean, flexible, and helps me stay on track. This week, I am focusing on three subjects: building materials, strength of materials, and surveying. For each subject, I cover the theory, practice MCQs, and watch concept videos when needed. I have kept it simple, one subject every 2 days, so I can comfortably cover all three in a week. This routine keeps me focused and consistent, even while I am busy with job applications. Weekly planning helps me stay organized. Instead of stressing over everything at once, I focus on just a few subjects every week. It keeps things manageable, and I can still keep up with job hunting too. I'm not perfect with my plan, but every week I try to do a little better than the last. I use a simple checklist to track my daily goals. If I miss anything, I just move it to the next day. Progress isn't about being perfect, it's about staying consistent. What's your method to stay on track? Let me know in the comments below. So, this is my weekly study plan for the JE exam. Let's see if I am actually able to follow it. I'll let you know how it went in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.